So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a 50-gallon Bradford White natural gas water heater. We had some problems up here. The piping was only single wall in the attic, and then it went up through a flashing. There was leaking down to the tank. So old water heater's gone. Gave you a new B-vent, a dual wall B-vent, 3 foot long, goes all the way up to the flashing. Then give you a new sealing bucket as well. And then you'll just need a little bit of drywall repair here to get you buttoned up. We'll send you a referral for that. So down to the draft diverter, then up top we give you 2 shutoff valves. Hot is on the left, cold is on the right, and you'll see on the tank next to these little brass extensions, you'll see C on the right and then H over there. So hot, cold. So any fixture you look at like this one, hot's going to be on the left, cold's going to be on the right. Same thing for that. So 2 shutoffs, and then of course the relief valve, temperature and pressure. Relief valve down to a brand new line. The other one, I don't know what they did. They had some refrigeration line in there. It was a 1/4 inch tubing going down. It's got to be full 3/4 inch. So we ran that down inside of the platform. It just sits down there. Never activates. If you do get water out of it, there's something wrong with it. It's either failed or defective, something like that. Give us a holler. We'll come out and take care of that. Upper third adjustable straps, lower third adjustable strap, and then down here we give you we repiped a little bit because the gas normally comes in on the left-hand side, but it's over here on the right. So we went ahead and stubbed it out a little bit, give you a new gas shutoff valve, a new gas connector tied into the controller. Right now the burner is lit, and it's going to be a couple hours before you have hot water. Right here you can see we have it set at hot. If you look here, it says scalding risk increases with hotter water. So we recommend 120. We actually have ours set at 115 because when you're in the shower, if you turn it all the way on hot, 115 you can stand in all day long without the risk of getting scalded. 120 about 7 or 8 minutes. 130 about 4 or 5 minutes. Here, when you get up to 140, actually this here is probably closer to 2 minutes. 140, third degree burn, 3 seconds. If you're infant or elderly, 1 second you're going to the hospital. So it's your house. You can do what you want. We leave it here for liability purposes. So you're going to have 120 degree water going through the home. All these other things, I mean, just don't turn it up. It's a new water heater. You're not going to have any trouble. Sometimes in the home you might have a single handle faucet or a shower faucet, tub faucet. It's got a single handle on there, so it's got a cartridge in there. If that fails, you may have trouble with hot water just at that one fixture. If you go to the sink and you turn it on, if it's got 2 handles, similar to right here, if you turn it on and it's hot, then you know you have hot water. But if the shower is cold, then something's going on with the cartridge. So anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.